cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Spank the World, and I'm bringing you guys another video today on my 2007 Chevy Tahoe. Today I'm going to be removing and replacing the factory headlight bulbs, trying to get rid of that yellowish tint that the factory headlight bulbs get off. I'm going to be replacing them with some LED headlight bulbs. I'm trying to get that more, modern look, or the brighter look that the newer vehicles get off. But before I get to doing that, I want to hope everybody enjoying their day. And if it ain't too much trouble, could y'all please like, share, and subscribe to the channel? And I appreciate that. Now today I'm not going to be doing this myself because it is kind of cold here. So I'm going to be heading over to a mechanic and letting him do it, my dude Gary. So in the meantime, let me get this camera turned around and let me get the truck over here to my mechanic. Stay tuned. Okay, so real quick, guys, I do want to show you guys how the headlights look and the tint, like the yellowish tint that's on them before I switch them out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's factory, and older headlight bulbs and headlights got that yellowish tint. So, but that's all. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. I'll get back with y'all here in a minute. Vlogging? What do you mean? What's cracking? Where y'all about to go?
I'm about to go get my haircut real quick.
Oh, okay.
Shit,
yeah, I ain't doing nothing. Let's go back to the shop. Get these lights put in.
I'm doing a little work, huh?
Yeah, working.
We'll check you out in a minute. Alright, call you in a second.
Okay, YouTube, so I done finally made it over to my mechanic. And real quick, I wanted to show you guys what bulbs I went with. I got the bulbs off of eBay, and I think they was about $25, $26. So let me show you guys the bulbs I went with, or how they gonna be packaged or whatnot. And I did get them off of eBay. So you're gonna have your fog lights, your headlights, and your high beams. You're gonna replace your fog lights, your headlights, and your high beams. But that's pretty much it. And by the way, if any of y'all ever need some work done, I'm in Akron. We over here on East Exchange, right across from Mason Park. And we over here at my dude Gary. So if y'all ever need some work, come over here and holler at my dude Gary. Akron, Ohio, East Exchange, across from Mason Park. Tell him Spank sent you.
Want to oh, you just got that?
Yeah.
I went to Vegas and got it. Sitting up real high, sitting up high with the brand new wheels, tires sticking out.
So what you do, drive it all the way back?
No, they brought it to the car dealership in Chicago.
Oh,
We're halfway to go get it.
Right. So yeah, they brought it to
It's
Chicago.
a 2013.
And y'all went to Chicago and picked it up.
Yeah.
You drove it back from Chicago?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, pop the hood and me off. See these lights.
All right. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to get on them motherfuckers more this summer.
Right.
Especially, what up, boy? Especially, yeah, we riding. We gotta do it like we used to do it, man. You know what I'm saying? We ain't did it like that.
We ain't did nothing.
We ain't did it like that. We gotta do it like we used to do it. Getting back on them motherfuckers. I'm getting back on my shit. I'm riding this summer.
Yeah, that's what
I'm putting miles on my shit this summer.
I'll say if niggas don't ride, man, I'm just gonna get on the slingshot and roll.
Right.
We gotta put these boxes over here so let it go.
Okay, YouTube. So I finally got the lights done. I must say, it turned out real good. And this decision saved me it saved me about $200 something dollars. Cause like I say, you can, I could have got the whole headlights, but they was like $200 and something dollars, almost $300. So I decided to try this first because I kind of like the ones that's in here anyway. So I just went with the bulbs. And like I say, it turned out real nice. So let me get this thing turned around and let y'all check it out. Y'all can see, y'all can tell earlier in the video when I showed you guys how they looked at factory. You definitely see a big difference. I'm quite sure it's gonna be a big difference at night too, driving. So there it is, guys. Like I said, I'm happy with it. Turned out real nice, and it definitely saved me some money. If you know me, you know I love saving money. So, but if y'all need anything done to your vehicle, like I said, you can go over there on East Exchange, across from Mason Park. Holler at Gary, tell him Spank sent you. And if it ain't too much trouble, if you can you like, share, and subscribe to the channel?